Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Sanjukta and today's video is all about glowy summer makeup. But the thing is I can't find my rubber band. Oh yes, I got it. So before starting this glowy makeup tutorial, I need to tie my hair first. As you can see, I have nothing on my face and I will start with a very thick and hydrating serum as this will help me to get the glow on my face. Also, I will massage it properly and it's good for blood circulation. Just watch this thoroughly how I do my massage. Also, I will request you to bring a hot coffee or a tea because this video will go long. Now I will apply a very little amount of moisturizer. Applying moisturizer is very important step, otherwise your makeup will look cakey. Okay, the last and most important step is SPF. As I said, this makeup tutorial is about glowy summer makeup. That's why I have chose the Beauty Co sunscreen lotion with SPF 50 because it has amazing glowing effect as you can see. Now I will conceal my under eye area. First I will cancel out my dark circles by using a dark shade of foundation and later I will apply a lighter shade of foundation to highlight my under eye area. Also you can see I have few acne marks and I will cover it up by using this foundation. Now you need to follow these steps that how I apply foundation on all over my face. Also I am using a wet beauty blender and applying the foundation by dabbing motion. Here I am using a light shade of foundation to highlight my under eye area. Yeah, now I am going to bake my under eye area with this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette. I am combing my eyebrows with this old mascara wand. Yeah, I kept it and now you can see how helpful it is. After that I will define my eyebrows by using Blue Heaven eyebrow pencil and the shade is dark brown, and if you want natural effect for your brows then this pencil is for you. Now this step is my absolute favorite is blush, and for blush I am using a bullet lipstick which is Lakme 95 primer plus cream lipstick. Shade name is Nude Dust. Again to get a glowy effect I am using this lipstick. For my lips I am using this same lipstick. for my inner corner I'm going to use the pink shade highlighter, and this highlighter is gorgeous. Now the main thing of this video is glow. So for this glow I will use Wet n Wild highlighter. Also I will apply this by using a wet beauty blender to get the seamless effect on my face, as you can see. Lastly, I am going to curl my eyelashes, and then to lengthening my eyelashes, I am using Maybelline the Hyper Curl Mascara. And then to get the voluminous lashes, I will use Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Gosh, look at my eyelashes, so voluminous. And yeah, this is my final look, how glowy it looks, and I think I have done a good job. So this is it for today's video. I hope you love this video. I hope you love this glowy dewy makeup. I can't believe myself that I have done this by myself. Oh my god. And this makeup looks so subtle, soft, dewy. Oh god, it doesn't look cakey. I must say I have done wonderful job. I really love this look, and this makeup look anyone can pull off. It doesn't look heavy on your face. Also, don't skip this video because you have to follow my steps. So please watch this video thoroughly. It will help you to get a glowy and not cakey look. So yeah, if you really like this look, please let me know in the comment section. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.